for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: braking assist, Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio-digital sound processing, audio speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have both limited and powertrain warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.